Welcome to Field Guide to DIY. I'm Eddie Field and I am super excited about this next project. This is our office, and since we moved into this space, we wanted it to be multi-purpose. And not only be an office, but room for guests. So our solution is a Murphy bed wall unit that's going in right here. Let's get started.
We ordered the Murphy bed hardware kit. We'll include a link in the description below. This kit comes with an instructional DVD, as well as all the detailed instructions. Do not deviate from these instructions. It also includes all the hardware that you need for operation of the Murphy bed. It does not include the assembly hardware for any cabinets or the bed frame. We begin by cutting our stock. We'll have a complete cut list in the description below. This is my first time using my new Ryobi cordless circular saw. I have a review of that in the link above. In this episode, we're focusing on the construction of the shelving on each side of the Murphy bed. Next, we drill pocket holes for the shelving, as well as the top and bottom of each cabinet. Having drilled all the pocket holes, we're now on to assembly. Wait, did I just say having drilled all the pocket holes? Well, I did forget the pocket holes for the toe kick. Then we glue up and screw on the toe kick. Next, we assemble the face frame for the side cabinets. We clamp and glue and screw those up. And I also forgot to drill the pocket holes for the face frame. Next, we attach the face frame to each cabinet.
So once it's all assembled and banded, paint.
Be sure to join us for part 2 and also click like and subscribe.